The foot of the bed has a flimsy 4-inch, I don't know, 5-inch with 3 screws. This on the right side, looking towards the bed, if we're wanting the screws to stick in, are going to need to get repaired. Wood glue. I just don't have time for it. And there's another one. So this is coming off because I'm trying to take the edge of the bed out, and there's something holding this together. I should have taken the drawers out already, but sadly I ran out of room and I couldn't figure out how to adhere them to the bed. So that's going next.